I recently came across this report which talk about the job market of Web3 developer in 2026 and what we have in the past and how the entire trending were happening across multiple chains. So this will give you a broader picture that what exactly happening to the job market in Web3 ecosystem in decentralized finance and what are the companies going to sustain, because every single technology has this up and down. After that, the technology will go standardize and it will go in a linear path rather than having a unimaginable exaggeration of growth. If you look at the entire data, you will find that what exactly happening, who going to sustain the job continuously and who exactly leaving it. So they have given this entire data. So they have done the entire analysis. They have this full-time developer, they have the monthly active developer, total repository, total commit. That's all they have collected, and here they have given all of this data. So this is the active developer, single chain developer, and this multi-chain developer. So what they have found that currently we have 7.8k full-time developer, because if you look at the blockchain industry, like it started from 17 and it's gradually went up, but now it's getting standardized because there was a lot of hype in 2021, in 2022, even in 2023. In 2023, the industry started shifting towards the downward portion, and during those years a lot of crypto project got released, and that's why you can see a lot of upmark you will find, because it was released in 21 to 23, or you can say 24 in the mid. A lot of crypto project, mainly in the crypto token, got released, and now you will find the trend is getting little downward because a lot of crypto token was released as a scam. You cannot deny the fact that a lot of token was released without having any core value. If you really want to have a successful project, you need to back by some features, some utility you have to show that this is kind of value going to bring it up. And a lot of project got just destroyed because they have no real value. They have just launched it as it is because that was the high time, and they thought that they're going to make money because everybody was launching their crypto project. So that's why you will find this trend. But the best part is that now it's getting stabilized. If you look at the company who's sustaining at the moment, they all are coming from the infrastructure environment. They're all coming from the DeFi protocol. They're all coming from the market exchange. They're all coming for a multi-protocol bridges model. So now the industry is getting standardized and focusing what it's needed for. Like blockchain is a fabulous technology and it has utility which you have to utilize it in the day-to-day life. You will find that it's solving a real world problem. If you talk about the decentralized finance, the way we used to do finance 5 years ago, 10 years ago, it was completely different, but now it's bringing power to its people. The pricing fluctuation is a part of its technology. It's happened all the time, and if you are in the crypto space, it's absolutely normal. A lot of a lot of new people got hyped up because the price of Ethereum, the price of Bitcoin went super high, and that price dragged down a lot of developers, a lot of people into this development field or into this marketing field or into this crypto project. That the price only, they haven't understood the concept about the decentralization, how it's work, what problem it solved. They all were in hype, and that's why you can see the best part is that it's getting stabilized. And that's what I like about the technology, that it will have above this, but soon it will going to follow a linear path, and that's what you will see. You will come back here, they have given the details report that what exactly happening, how much drop you are having, and most of the drop you will find those who are the new seeker, new developer, those who have like 3 months or they are just starting up. They have built 1 or 2 projects and they have just pushed to get up. All of this drop you are having those who have no real background or no real industry exposure. So those are the developers are getting down, but those who are working already in this particular field, they are working absolutely fine. The company need developer because it has trillions-dollar market cap. If you come back down here, they will find all the deals about the network and the drop, and you will find the developer. That's all you will find. So you will find all of the structure about the network, all of this data you will find, all of this data. Right now the tech industry is going in this way. Right now we have the AI, so everybody's talking about AI. Coding is not going to be relevant. AI. That's what happening, and that was the exact scenario with the blockchain when it was hype 21, 22 or 23, when the price was super duper high. So that's what exactly happening.